Thunder showers Thursday. The chances for rain, first of all, are going up 40% next couple of days, 60% on Friday. That's because the front's moving in. As far as the amount of rain, well, locally, some areas saw, believe it or not, 3 to 4 inches of rain today in a short period of time. The atmosphere is chock full of moisture. Now, I'm not expecting that in every single storm, but gives you a clue that there could be some locally heavy downpours over the next few days. Most of the areas expected to see generally a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain where thunderstorms occur, but it's the scattered nature. And today's a great example. No rain at the airport. And many of you did not see some of these heavier showers. Some did, and where it rained, it was heavy. But again, quite a few places did not see the rain. So not much variance in temperatures next 3 days. 90 degrees Wednesday and Thursday, 89 on Friday. Again, we'll see those better chances for those scattered showers and storms later in the week. Again, there's a front moving our way Friday and Saturday. That front looks to bring us some changes late weekend into next week. We'll talk more about those changes coming up. Hope you're having a great Tuesday night. That's a pretty view, isn't it, of our downtown Knoxville camera. By the way, I saw some neat things in the sky. Those towering cumulonimbus clouds, those are thunderstorm clouds. Saw some rainbows in the sky today, and just a neat sky in general. With the thunderstorms and the sunshine, again, you had the varying sky conditions to go along with the scattered nature of those storms. That's very typical for the month of July. Here's what we're looking at right now. 80 degrees, feels like 84 outside. The dew-point temperature, 72 degrees. So it's seasonally warm and muggy, as it usually is on a July summer evening. Winds are light, pressure slowly rising at 29.99. Here's our 12-hour forecast. We'll start out your Wednesday morning right around 71 degrees, and partial clearing tonight. We'll likely see patchy areas of fog in the morning. Both of our high-res models showing that potential for some fog in the Central Valley especially. So foggy conditions early, that will give way to partly cloudy sky and another chance for the spotty storms tomorrow. Now, still some leftover convection that's still taking a while to slowly wind down. It is doing just that. Those earlier thunderstorms with the flash flood warning in Ray and Meigs counties just now winding down. That's the light to moderate rain moving up into Roane and Loudoun counties. Earlier strong storms with heavy rainfall initially in Morgan County, then up on the plateau. Pulaski County, east of Somerset, you saw some flooding. Again, some pockets of these thunderstorms producing some localized flooding from earlier this afternoon and evening. Kentucky Plateau and even in parts of Ray and Meigs County. So here's what we're seeing. Also Cock and Sevier. I want to mention that we did have some heavy rain. We'll talk about those rainfall amounts they saw in a moment. There's the flash flood warning. Ray and Meigs, that's in place until 11:30. Again, here's the leftover showers working up toward Oak Ridge. Just some light to moderate rain, but that's kind of weakening. Nonetheless, got a chance to see some rain in Hardin Valley and Farragut coming up from Lenoir City. Raining in Loudoun and Lenoir City right now. That flash flood warning to 11:30 for Cock and Sevier counties as well. And again, rainfall amounts right about 3 inches, just over that in Hartford. So this was banking up against the mountains from earlier today. The rest of tonight, these scattered showers, I say thunder showers, they're going to wind on down. There's your patchy fog in the morning, and with a chance for those spotty storms returning once we get late afternoon. Here's the regional view. An upper low out west is what's generating these scattered thunder showers. That system will slowly weaken, but then the next front brings showers and storms Friday, Saturday, and then dry and pleasant, less humid early next week.